What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm in that new spot. I furnished it. I'll show you guys that in another video. Yeah, I'm headed to get some food. It's Saturday, it's date night, and my lady wanted Dave's hot chicken, so we're grabbing Dave's hot chicken. And I haven't had Dave's in maybe a year, at least, maybe a year. When last time you had Dave's? At school, one of your school nights. A
couple months ago.
Right, okay, cool. All right. Well, yeah, Dave's date night on a Saturday night. About to eat something good, comforting, and see what I do next tonight. I'm happy to be going through life with y'all again and getting back to building this community we have. Let's grab some food. All right, here we go. They got this dope wall right here, neon lit. They always got nice graffiti in their building. It's dope. Another thing right here. Okay, I got a pink lemonade. She got strawberry cream slushy. Show y'all what a sandwich looks like. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this remind me of them days.
No,
I'm about to stop this though because they playing music in here and this video will get copyright. Talk to y'all in a second. All right, so it's a new day now. It's about 4:30 p.m. I'm with my lady. We see this new boba shop in our area and we're thinking about trying it. So we just pulled up to it. I just finished getting my car washed and we just pulled up to this boba shop and we want to see how it tastes. It's called Dana Cafe. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like inside of here, what they have to offer, how it tastes. And then yeah, later on today we may be doing some furniture shopping too and going out for dinner. We're going to get some type of dinner, so yeah, just stay tuned, see where this day heads. But yeah, we're just living this. Is just a week in a life vlog. I'm guessing at this point I'm going to just make this a week in a life vlog, so follow me. Let's get some more vibes going. All right, so here's the place right here. Let's go inside and check it out. It's connected to a car wash, so pretty interesting. Skites, hot Cheetos, that's their Instagram. Natural juices, banana splits. Smoothies, ice cream, shaved ice, croissants, frescas con crema. I don't know what I'm gonna get, man. Can't tell yet. That looks good. More stuff right here. So can we get a strawberry banana smoothie, large?
Do you want it with boba?
You do? With boba. And then let us get a hot Cheeto with cheese. That's all, bro. I'm taller than you. So, about to try this food. We bought a smoothie and some hot Cheetos with cheese.
You don't even show you a handshake? Do that 4 times, like this, and then like this. And then like this, and then like this again, like this, and then do this.
What the roque?
Again.
Comment down below what's y'all favorite smoothie flavor. Oh, he's bringing it up. Thank you, bro.
What's your vlog pod?
I'll connect you to it. This is me right here.
That's you?
Yeah, that's me. Thanks, bro.
Have a good day.
Thank you, bro. You too. So we just tried that place. Apparently it was too sugary. I feel like I can agree. I'd go to places like Jamba Juice and grab juices from the produce section in grocery stores enough to know that like juices aren't supposed to taste that addictive. They supposed to be a little less addictive and more so just nourishing. So it was probably a little too sugary here. More of a treat than a nourishment. That's what you want to say too? Excuse us for the delay. She's chewing down her boba. Boba ASMR. Want me to give you the mic? Boba ASMR. What's up, guys? So it is the next day now since I went and grabbed boba. Here is a new update of what my room looks like. This bed is still on the ground. So I went and bought a bed frame today from Facebook Marketplace. You can see the slats right here on my door. And I'm about to set up the bed frame so that I can just be positioned higher in the sky and then maybe start storing things under the bed frame. Because I don't have that much space, so it'll give me a chance to store things under, free up some floor space. So yeah, check out the transition. Let's see what I changed the room to. And I'll show y'all everything, like I said, in more videos. A full room tour and what I've done with it. Exactly. Preset of the A's on the sides. I get it, it's your gender. All right, so quick update. I just made a Ross pit stop to like get new bed sheets. So I'll show y'all that. I just got this basic gray comforter from Serta. I know this is a basic brand, but I'm actually planning to move soon, so I'm not even gonna do too much. I'll tell y'all my moving plans real soon too. Like I said, the comforter's gray. The fitted sheets will be gray as well from London Fog. Then I also bought these gray bath mats. It's a double set for the bathroom. And then lastly, we got this snack. Comment down below if y'all like this snack. Hello Panda chocolate flavor. I think I've had them before, but yeah, this is gonna be my snacks for after dinner tonight. I'm gonna show y'all dinner too, probably. I'm about to show y'all dinner. And I'm about to put this new comforter set on. Goes the fitted sheet right here. Just get it. Okay. There we go. Let me put the pillows on. Okay. All right, that's how the pillows will look too. Let me show y'all my dinner now. All right, so check this out. We got some taquitos and nachos. Let me zoom in a little bit. Nachos right there. So we just gonna share both, and that's how we eat tonight. We got these from a food truck. These are our vibes right now. This is our angle. So it's later on that night that we built the bed. I got a basketball league game right now. So follow me and come watch me hoop. Let's see how many points I get. Yeah, it's in Santa Monica at this league. Comment down below if y'all want to get in this league and y'all live in LA like me. I'll let y'all know where it is. But yeah, let's go. I'm 26. I might need to stretch real intensely before I do this. Let's see what pops off. Right side. My read. Yo work. Okay. Nothing. I'm bottom left. Nothing. Good take, boy.